We were very particular on having a sunset backyard, just to create the ambience that we wanted back here. I kind of wanted the backyard space in general to just really blend in with the natural atmosphere, you know, the lake and the creek behind us. So we knew for sure that we wanted to have a natural looking pool space. We went to American Pools, we brought our sketches, designs to them along with our budget, and we were like really hoping that they could make all my dreams come true on our budget. The design process was really, really great, very streamlined, and we got what we wanted.
This is what we do every night. We like to have the family over, do some grilling. It's tranquil, it's peaceful, and yeah, it feels like you're on vacation, just sitting on the hammock and feeling the sand.
I mean, what epitomizes relaxation better than like hammocks, right? Even if we don't use them every day, it's just so beautiful to look at them and just feel like we're on vacation. By opting not to have the screen enclosure, it gave us the space to just build a little sand area that just brought in the tropics. And so it's funny, we get invited to go to the beach now with our family and friends, and we always say no. Like, why would we go to the beach? We have the beach.
We have it right here.
I would come out here in the mornings and do yoga, and it's very relaxing atmosphere. It was exactly what we imagined and hoped for.
Yes.
It works for us as individuals, but also just such a great space for, you know, for entertaining. It's just very versatile, and we really enjoy it. We get lots of use out of it.
This is the environment we wanted, that you could sit anywhere and be able to enjoy everything that we created here.
This is what, you know, anyone else travels to Orlando to experience this for just a week out of their whole year. And we're so fortunate that we get to do it every day.